grief.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, and southwestern Ohio, southeastern Greene County until 7:30 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Sabina, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sabina, Bowersville, Port William, Jasper Mills, Paintersville, Reesville, Bloomington, Lees Creek, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68, Melvin, and Lumberton. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 50 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official